Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a Mother's Day gift ideas and I have so many pretty things to share with you. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you are new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. I also love girly and pink things, so if you love any of that, you've come to the right place. So please consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on social medias. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is this gorgeous knitted jacket that I am wearing. This is from Sally Allen Fashion and she also has an Etsy shop. So I'm going to leave you the exact links where you can find these products as well as the exact names. But oh my goodness, you guys, I just can't stop looking at it. It's gorgeous. It's so girly. And I am like obsessed with it. So I got this in like this cream white color and it has like the black trim, but look at the detailing on the sleeves. It's like beautiful. It has like beads and like pearls all over. It also has like on all like the trim of the jacket, but oh my gosh, you guys, it's like the prettiest jacket I have ever seen. It's gorgeous. It reminds me a lot of like a Chanel inspired look. So this is like so pretty and I think this would be like the most amazing gift ever. So I also got it in black and look at this beauty. It's gorgeous. It's like made out of this like super soft material and it has like the same, you know, pearl details all around, except this one has like a little bit of like rhinestones throughout the jacket, which adds like a little bit of bling. Super pretty. And it's just like beautiful. I got these like in the size small. They fit perfectly true to size. So here's like a little catalog that came with the order and it just tells you like a little bit about, you know, what clothing they offer. They have like so many different styles. They have like dresses. Look at these like beautiful prints and I just love it because they're like so unique. So these jackets come in like so many colors. They come in like all these colors here, but I of course got the white because I think that goes perfect with like pink, and it also has like black. It's just so pretty, guys. And look at these like turtlenecks. They have like these like little roach detail on the neck, which are so pretty. Look at that. It's so girly. I love it. So I'm going to leave you guys the exact links on where you guys can find these coats at sallyallenfashion.com as well as her Etsy shop. But guys, check it out. You are going to love it. So another great gift idea would be a jewelry box or an organizing tray. So I have this one here to show you guys. Isn't it so pretty? It also comes in like black and I believe in pink. And it actually comes in a pack of 4. I just have the other ones in my drawer, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So they come like stacked, so they're just like stackable trays, and you can put like, okay, let's try this again. So it comes with like 4 different ones, different sizes, and it also comes with this beautiful lid with like this gold hardware. It's beautiful. It's made of this like faux leather, and it also comes like in black and I believe in pink, and this was like so affordable. There is another brand, I believe it's called Vlando, but that one there is on the pricier range. This one here was like literally less than half off. So speaking about jewelry organizers, I wanted to show you another great gift idea. This is actually some earrings, and I ordered these off of Nordstrom a few weeks ago, and look how pretty the packaging is. It came in this like really pretty like purple velour pouch, and it has the Tory Burch symbol. And I got some pearl earrings. I'm going to give you guys a close-up, but they are pearl earrings and they have the Tory Burch logo. Sorry guys, I don't know if this is like in focus, but it's like some pearl earrings and it has like the little Tory Burch logo on the front. So another thing that I want to show you guys, I actually have on my Etsy shop, and it's some brush organizers or brush holders. So I do make these and I do have my own Etsy shop, so I'll leave you guys the link to my Etsy shop. But I have these like CC inspired brush holders, and they come in these like acrylic cases to keep your brushes free from dust. I hate it when my brushes have like dust all over them, so these are like great because it just keeps them nice and clean. This here has like little pearl details. and then like that. It has like a little bow. So like I said, I do make these on Etsy, so they are available. I'll leave you guys a link to that as well. You will see on my Etsy shop that I have these organizers with the initials, so I do make like different kinds. I do make like these, or depending on like what you want. So all you have to do is just send me a message and I will customize it for you. Another wonderful gift idea, and it's something that's going to last forever, is a forever rose bear. This bear is made out of like foam flowers, and I custom make them. So I'm going to leave you guys a picture up here so you guys can see what bear I'm talking about. But I also have those on my Etsy shop. So I wanted to also show you my mattress pad that I just recently got. This mattress pad, you guys, is so amazing. It literally makes your night's sleep like 100 times better. It's so soft, so quilted, and who is not gonna want to sleep in a comfy bed? It does come in like multiple sizes. I got it off of Amazon. I'm going to leave you the exact links on where you can find it. It's from the brand BEDSURE, but it's made out of this like incredible material. It's so cushiony, and when I lay on my bed, I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't want to get up. It's such an amazing mattress topper, and this would be like the perfect gift for any person, especially for a mom. Moms are always tired. I'm always tired, especially after running around my 3 kids. When I go to bed, the first thing I want is to just relax my body. So let me show you exactly like all the awesome details that this mattress pad has. So here's an overview of my BEDSURE mattress pad. As you can see, the quilted detail on it is amazing. It makes it like super soft, and it's like so comfy to sleep in at night. It's also made out of this like really good breathable material. It has firm support, is cozy, it's hypoallergenic, and it's also machine washable. And I really love how like in every section there's like a little kind of like a quilted detail, like little pockets. It's like it feels so good, especially when you're laying flat on your back. On the sides here, it has this material that is very soft, and it goes all the way under your mattress, so you don't have to worry that it's going to be like slipping or moving out of place. But I would definitely recommend a mattress pad from BEDSURE. You guys, it's like the most amazing thing ever. So in the back here, I have my name, and this was customized by Rosa from Artsy Craftsy. She creates beautiful letters that are custom made depending on how you want them. You guys need to check out her website. It's Artsy Craftsy on Instagram. She is so creative. Highly recommend you guys check out her page and check out her YouTube channel. She also does videos. She's all into like girly and pink stuff just like me. So check it out. You will love it. So the last thing I want to show you guys is also another great gift idea, and these here are so affordable, yet they look very luxurious. And I'm talking about these cosmetic bags. So I have 2 of them to show you guys. I actually have 3, but I can't find the other one. So I have this one here in this like checkered print, and then I also have this brown one, and these here look so pretty in the vanity or displayed, and they would make like the perfect gift. They don't have like any logos, so they're not imitation or whatsoever. They're just like inspired or dupes, I would say. They're just checkered, and I think they're beautiful. The zipper is actually pretty nice, and it is like so spacious. You can fit so much. I have like so much junk in here already, but definitely very spacious and made out of this like really good material. So I'll link these down there for you guys as well. So yeah, you guys, that was all. Those were all the things that I would recommend for Mother's Day or gift ideas. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.
It's breaking my heart.